this project we had several objectives. First of all, Sabic wants to play a leading role in the energy transition and circular economy. In light of this ambition, together with Solarge, we developed fully recyclable and lightweight solar panels made of plastics we produce here in Genk. These panels are the ideal solution for companies looking for alternatives to install solar panels on their premises, but run into the load these roofs can typically carry, making it impossible to install traditional solar panels. Secondly, such an installation requires quite an investment. Given other large investments at the same moment, that was difficult, so we explored options for partners. Partners not only willing to invest on our behalf in these panels, but also partners with the right expertise for installation, operation and maintenance of such an installation, and ENGIE was the perfect partner for this. ENGIE supported us through all phases of the project, which enabled us to focus on our running business. At Sabic, safety is a core value in everything we do. We're very strict in selecting partners and contractors we work with. Safety needs to be equally important for them. With ENGIE, we found such a partner during all phases of the project, being preparation, outlining, anchoring, structures and panel installation itself. Now the panels have been installed and are in operation, we are also reassured that they are in good hands with ENGIE. That enables us to focus on our core business, and that's making plastics for hopefully a lot of more panels.